Right, again, for the latest updates and the latest news, log on to www.b-league.ph, the official website of the Shakey's V-League, and of course, Facebook fans, www.facebook.com/Shakey's V-League. And Miyaka, what do you have for us?
Well, Ian, having more rookies than veterans is a tough job for any coach, according to Coach Telmo Barina. Sabi niya na mahirap nga daw i-gel at i-process ang bagong sistema sa mga rookies niya, lalo-lalo na kung dalawa lang ang katulong niyang veterans. Kaya naman, after their disappointing NCAA stint, binigay niya kagad ang hardcore training dito sa mga girls niya, and even engage them in some cross-training kagaya ng basketball, which builds stamina while they're running, and of course, swimming, kasi weights daw ito, and of course, medyo cool down din for their body. Sabi ni Coach Telma, ito namang girls niya is masipag talaga, kaso nga lang, they lack the fighter in them na kailangan talaga dito sa sport ng volleyball, guys.
Alright, thank you, Miyaka. You're talking about other sports, if they're lacking the fight, why not go to MMA?
That's mental capability of... Yun talaga yung mental toughness.
Fight bang kulang? Halika, mag-MMA tayo. Fighting talaga yan.
Yung, masyadong brutal.
Ay,
Pero a lot of people are really watching it and enjoying it. But going back to volleyball, tama yun, yung cross-training. I remember we used to do that. Kami naman soccer for endurance and footwork.
Yeah,
I remember.
Yeah, I remember that. During my time, it was skydiving and polo.
Ganon.
Social. Social na sport.
Polo pero kalabaw yung ginagamit nyo.
96. Perpetual still with a 3-point lead.
Akala ko kayaking sa Espanya.
During the rainy season, that will work, obviously. 9-7, 2-point lead only now for Perpetual. And again, the Mikasa MVA 300 is the new official game ball of the Shakey's V-League Season 8. More intense rallies, more thrills. The Mikasa MVA 300.
And now, Michelle Datuin scoring in that last play. Mukhang nakukuha na ng Perpetual yung rhythm nila because of the confidence winning that first set, and now up here in the second set.
Michelle with a good serve.
Combination play, Araneta on the tail end, but Michelle Datuin digging it.
Well, she's definitely, like what you said, no? Hindi siya yung mapili when it comes to those spikes. She's gonna work hard, not only in offense, but moreover on defense.
That's right.
You can see her rolling
just
over, running around. Yeah.
Astubino closing the door on the Lady Blazers as we take a look at that once again. Araneta, but Tubino with an offensive block.
That's right. Well, we saw Araneta hit it down the line almost exclusively in that first set, no? And that worked a lot for her. But whenever she, like what she did that time, hit it cross-court, she's going up against the forward blocker.
And now Tubino getting her groove just a little bit in this second set. Let's see if it is follow through. Kasi hindi ka naman kukuning guest player kung hindi rin nakita ni Coach Mike Rafael na makakatulong siya sa team.
Well, the sooner she adjusts, the better for Perpetual.
Araneta once again making it look so easy with that off speed, taking the point.
All right, the first sub for the Lady Blazers, Valencia, replacing Loren.
Service specialist for Coach Telma. Let's see. Pag bago ka sa team, yan yung una mong role eh.
Yeah.
Diba?
Marami tayong nakita ganyan.
Ooh,
nice.
Sardine was way up in the air for that open hit.
Look at this. Look at this approach.
Serves
Perfect.
a second look.
See?
Woo.
She was really facing that area, that down the line zone, but still the defense of Benil not able to pick those kasi tinitingnan mo din balikat talaga ng attacker eh, para malaman kung saan niya ipapatama yung ball or dadalhin yung ball. 18-14. Lead now up again to 6, Mozzie.
That's right. Araneta and Fajardo for CSB with 4 attacks apiece. De Los Santos with 5 on the other side. Diaz with 4.
Another error, this time a spiking error. Yumang and Ajero, I think, gave out the wrong signals to each other.
Tobino, 2 blocks so far in this game, and Perpetual having 3 only, so
Yeah, she's
dominate niya yung net, which is what Coach Mike Rafael said.
Definitely a threat when it comes to blocking because of her height. Finally, the Lady Blazers stopped the bleeding with that point.
Free ball now given to the College of St. Benilde. Combination,
Ooh,
Fajardo.
Wow, that was a great play from Fajardo and Yumang, because it was Yumang who picked up the blockers and Fajardo had an open lane.
Easily drilling that one.
Good reception from that to win. Good block there from Yumang.
Great coverage from the Lady Blazers.
Oh, good save there from that to win. She was able to get that ball up and she had to run all over to the other end.
Not that time.
And great offense now we're seeing from CSB. Lead cut down to 4. De Los Santos overshoots the line.
That's right, no touch. Trying to go for a touch. Araneta still on the service line for the Lady Blazers.
3-point lead. Ooh, this is outside.
Good read by Diaz, letting that one sail out.
And again, Perpetual with a 4-point lead as we go into our second technical timeout.